Bear, what are you doing? No, Teddy Bear is just full of herself. Okay, Teddy Bear, where are we going here? Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. Come here, Teddy Bear. Don't flick that tail at me. Yes. I know. Here, swipe your side. Yes. There we go. Stop that. Yeah. All right. You're a teddy bear. Not so tiny anymore, are you, teddy bear? Yep. Yep. Yeah. Oh, there's a little one under here. Where did you come from? Oh, she's licking her little chops. She just had some chicken. Did you just have some chicken, Sirocco? Yep. So you chewing on it. Okay, Sirocco. Pretty cute this morning. Pretty good this morning, Sirocco. That little cat, Juicy. You that little cat you are? I'm a fat little cat. Not a fat little cat here. Teddy Bear will clean your face for you. It's in dire need. It's in dire need. Yeah, look at this. Greasy muffin.